This is Pocketnow, and I'm Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? And here's a look at the Lenovo Smart Clock and the Lenovo Smart Tab. Let's start off with the Lenovo Smart Clock. Now, on the surface, it just looks like a small little thing with a screen, a little bit like the Google Home Hub, except it's all integrated, and yes, this is still a speaker, and there's just a small 4-inch screen on here. That screen is 800 by 480 resolution, and it is touch sensitive, allowing you to swipe among different elements. However, this is not going to be a full-on version of Android, of course. It's actually a little bit stripped down because it's trying to just be a simple clock. There are 2 microphones on this device, but you can mute them via a quick toggle on the back if you want a little bit more privacy. And speaking of privacy, there is no camera on here either. It's all really simple, and honestly, it's all about just going through the main elements on the front screen. You can swipe down in order to control a few extra things, but ultimately it's meant to tell you the time, it is meant to tell you things via the speaker portion, and it is capable of still doing your smart home tasks via the Google integration. This is the kind of device that is supposed to live on your nightstand. It's not going to replace your smart displays or Google Homes or Google Home Hubs that might already be in other parts of your home, like in the kitchen or in the living room. You're not meant to be watching full-on YouTube videos or even looking at a whole lot of media on here, though you can play music via the speaker portion. What you can do is set alarms, charge a device via the USB port on the back, and when you wake up in the morning, it takes a little bit of time to brighten up the screen to simulate a sunrise. When the alarm does go off, you can snooze it by just smacking the top of the device, or you can smack it twice in order to turn it off. As this is a new product and technically a new category, there might be some features that still need to be fleshed out, but as it stands right now, this minimalist design looks pretty nice, and it is a nice clock to have on the side that allows you to do some extra smart stuff. But if you want to go above and beyond, Lenovo actually brought back a tablet at CES, one that can work not only as a conventional tablet but also as a smart speaker display. This is the Lenovo Smart Tab in a couple of different varieties. The M10 is the cheaper of the bunch with up to 32GB of storage and up to 3GB of RAM, while the P10 has more speakers, has a larger battery, and supports up to 4GB of RAM with 64GB of onboard storage. This is an Android tablet through and through, but this tablet's main function is to be an Amazon Echo of sorts. The 10-inch displays, which are also at full HD resolution, can actually double as an Echo Show display. This smart dock has a few contacts that allow it to communicate with the tablet, and then it becomes an entire Amazon Echo. So you can use the hot word in order to talk to Amazon the way that you would with any other Echo device. The transition is actually pretty seamless, and the smart dock sounds pretty nice. The speaker allows for some pretty rich sound, and you can use it in order to play music, watch some media online, or get quick recaps of current stories in the news. When playing music via Amazon Music, if the lyrics are available at that database, it will actually scroll up kind of like a karaoke machine, so that's actually pretty cool. The tablet itself is sleek, it is full-featured, and it is a 10-inch display, meaning you have plenty of room to have fun with different games and whatnot on the Google Play Store. All of these products are going to be made available by the end of January, with the Smart Clock coming in at $79.99. Depending on what version of the tablet you want, the Smart Tab will come in at $199 or $299. Thank you so much for watching our coverage of CES 2019. There's still quite a bit to see, so make sure you stay tuned to Pocketnow and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Get into the comment sections down below, and you can have a discussion with us about these Lenovo products, these new Smart Tab and Smart Clock devices. Let us know what you think about them in the comments. And from there, drop us some likes on this video, and we will see you in our next one.